Hey, we're using iPhone.
Yeah, bro. Recently I brought it. It costed around 75k.
Well, I'm buying the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Let's ask him some important questions. Is it? But we both are colleagues, right?
Yes.
We both are having the same salary, right?
Yes.
I brought this because my dad is a rich guy. How are you going to buy it?
Why worry? And I have a credit card for it.
Is it? What is the credit limit you have?
25,000.
Guys, this mistake will be done by many people. They have a credit limit of only 25,000, but they prefer to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max kind of a phones. That is where they will get into a trouble. Reason being, maintaining their credit score and at the same time maintaining their financial discipline will be pretty much difficult. So bro, I suggest you something very important. In the future, you would like to buy cars, house, all these things are there, right? In that case, you would like to get a loan, right? At that point, your credit score should be pretty much nice. Something like more than 750 would be a good option. How do you maintain it? By spending less money from your credit card. All in all, you have a credit card, you should spend. Why not? The answer is pretty simple. Banks are giving you credit card to make sure that you spend more, to make sure that you pay more money to the banks at the later stage. But guys, please understand, the less you spend, the banks will think he is the right guy who spends money in the conservative manner. So to maintain a better credit score, here are the 4 points which I have written in the caption.